Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to easily copy variables from one file to another in Figma. So I'm on this template file that I found on the community templates on Figma, and it's a very nice file. There are many different styles and many components using variables. So if you have a look at the table of variables here, we can see that they're using semantic colors here, so simple colors, and they have their color mode here with 3 different modes: light, dark, and blue. Imagine you want to move these modes to this empty file. Okay, I have this initial file that is empty and only has one collection with nothing inside. How would you do it? In order to do it very easily, you just have to use this simple plugin called Variables Manager. And you need to create a collection with the variable you want to move. For example, here I like to move only the text style, okay, that contains the primary and the different colors for status. So I will open the plugin, click on Save New. I will select in color mode here only the text group up, and I will click on Save. I will name this collection text colors. Bam, and the collection has been saved here. Then I go to my new file where I want to copy the variables. I open the plugin up and I will restore the variables. So it takes 3 to 5 seconds. Up, and then it shows a small message here saying the collection has been restored. So if we have a look at the restored collection, there is our text group here with all the colors. We copy it, and there is also the standard collection, so the semantic color that have been copied here. So it only copied the colors it needed. So because we only selected the text color group, it looked for all these colors in the other collection, it retrieved them and it copied them too. So with this you can easily quick start a project. Imagine you have a new file you want to update, like this file. Okay, it's an empty file too, no collection inside. You just open the plugin, up, and you run the restoration. Up, when the restoration is done, you can see all your colors here. Now imagine you need to update the colors you have. For example, your primary color was this black, but now you want it to be, let's say, a green, 800, this green. So you update your color here, and in order to update your collection save here, you just need to click on this update icon. When you will click on update, it will ask you to select the colors you want to keep tracking, and it will pre-select the colors that are already tracked. Okay, so I just save it up. Then I will go back to my initial file here. I will reopen the plugin in order to have the last version, and I will restore this. Okay, so the restoration process starts, and up, my primary text color has been updated here too. I hope it will be useful for you, and if you have any question, just write it as a comment on the video or on the plugin. Thank you.